It's about as focused as I'll get today. Really dark out there. Ooh, look at them all. It's been raining all day. You can hear the rain. These guys are just getting in on it. We've never had this, ever. Oh, a whole bunch of them flew away. Well, the rain is good because it's melting the snow. And we want better driving conditions on Christmas Day, so we can all get together. The light is low enough you can't really see them that well. There are dozens of those, and there's a flicker, and a Stellar's jay, finches, chickadees, nuthatches, lots of little juncos. So visually it's crappy, but I like the sound. They sound like tribbles, don't they? And one guy over here, oh, look at this one. Blurry, but nice. Yeah, very grainy. That's the best I can do. With very low light. It's just getting dark. And when it's dark, they take off. And I'm gone until early in the morning. And you start hearing that sound again. Ground is moving. Yeah, I wonder how long they're going to stay here. It's been about a week. I guess as long as I keep putting food out. I'm throwing it on the ground. What a racket. In an aviary. I hope this is recording. The thing is, I've never heard this before, and I probably won't hear it again. You get so little snow, and then we got about a foot of snow overnight, and then it started to thaw. So it's a crust. There's a crust on top. So now these guys can hop around and eat the seeds that I threw down. You can even see them. You see on the snow, you can see the seeds. They look like robins, but they're not. They're very thrush. Oh, there they all went away. So they're up in here. Sound of snow shovels is heard throughout the land.